There's a jury that's been hearing testimony all day today that will determine if Brandon McCall lives or dies. Jurors already convicted him last week of killing a Richardson police officer. J.D. Miles picks up our coverage at the courthouse in McKinney, where the first day of sentencing is now wrapping up. J.D.
Doug, Brandon McCall had a lot of run-ins with law enforcement over the years before his deadly killing of Richardson police officer David Sherrard, but none of those previous incidents involved violence. Prosecutors, though, say that his behavior was heading increasingly in that direction. A rideshare driver testified that he feared for his life before kicking Brandon McCall and another man out of his car in Grand Prairie because they were acting drunk and carrying a large knife in the back seat. That happened 6 months before McCall would shoot and kill his roommate in their apartment and Richardson police officer David Sherrard when he arrived at the scene. McCall was convicted of capital murder last Wednesday after a jury deliberated only 2 hours. Today, officers from various local police departments testified about incidents involving McCall as far back as 2008. That's when he was cited for a curfew violation in Richardson. There were also 2 marijuana possession arrests in 29. A year later, he was a passenger in a police chase involving a stolen car and also had arrests for cocaine possession and public intoxication. Defense attorneys have suggested that McCall was suicidal when he fired at police and deserves mercy. But a hostage negotiator who talked McCall into surrendering testified the defendant could have taken his own life if that's what he wanted. He had the means, time, and opportunity to do it, and he never did. The whole time he appeared to know exactly what was going on. So McCall had a total of at least 9 incidents with police that we know of so far. Testimony will continue tomorrow. A history of crime and a lack of remorse are among the aggravating factors that prosecutors will have to prove to this jury to secure a death sentence. Live in McKinney, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.
J.D.